Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how to install Python 3 and pip in Ubuntu Linux. When we work with Python, the Python would be installed as Python 2 or Python 3. Nowadays most of the projects are using Python 3. So in this video we are going to see the installation of Python 3. Here we will also see how to install Python 3 with a specific version. Once we install Python 3, then we are going to see how to install pip. PIP is a tool which will be used to install the Python packages. When we work with Python projects, we need many packages as part of the projects. For installing those packages, we use PIP. So here we will see how to install PIP with a specific version. Let us start. This is a Ubuntu Linux environment. Let us check the release version. This is 2204. Generally with Ubuntu based operating system, we will get Python by default. So for 2204, by default we get the version Python 3.10. For 20.04, we get the Python version 3.8. And for 24.04, we will get the Python version as 3.12. Here I logged in as root user. Let's verify the Python 3 version which comes as default. This is Python 3.10. For example, if we don't have Python by default, we can install using apt install command. So before using apt install command, let's update the package index by using apt update. So we have updated the package list here. So let's try to install Python 3. So it says it is already installed with version 3.10. As I said, by default with Ubuntu 2204 we get 3.10 as default version. So let's try to install a version other than 3.10, for example 3.12. So it is saying it is not able to locate Python 3.12. So these are all the default repositories. It searched for this package 3.12, but it is not able to find it. If we do not have packages in the default repositories, we can use PPAs for downloading the packages. So here in the machine, we want to install a Python package with version 3.12. So we can use PPA, which is also called Personal Package Archives. These are maintained by community developers and third-party companies and so on. For Python, we have a PPA called Dead Snakes, which is maintained by the community developers. So we can use that PPA for installing Python software with a specific version. So let's try to add that PPA to the repository list. So for that we can use add apt repository. Here we need to mention the PPA. So this is the PPA corresponding to Dead Snakes PPA, through which we can install the required Python version. So I am pressing enter here. So the PPA is added. Now let us update the repository list again. So the list is updated. Now let us try to install the Python version 3.12. Let me enter Y here. Now it is downloading the software from the PPA and it will install now. Now the Python 3.12 is installed. Let us verify the version again. So we can see the version. Now let us verify the Python 3 version again. It is still showing 3.10 because that is the default version. We can verify the path of this by using which Python. So that's in user bin. So let us go into the directory once. Here we can see under user bin we have 3.10 as well as 3.12. So by default we have Python 3 which is created as a soft link to point to 3.10. That is why when we check the version of Python 3, it is printing the version 3.10. If you want to use Python 3.12 as the default version, we can update this soft link to point to 3.12. So let us do that. Before creating the new link, let me delete the existing link and I will recreate a new soft link. Now I have created a new soft link. So let me verify again. So now we can see the Python 3 is pointing to 3.12. Now let us verify the version of Python 3 again. It's showing 3.12. This way we can install Python with a specific version in Ubuntu. We have installed Python 3 with a specific version in Ubuntu. Now let us see how to install pip. For this, let us try to open the pip documentation. So here let us check the installation section. Here it has given two methods, ensure pip and get pip. Let us use the second one. So let me copy this command. So here we need to mention for which Python version we want to get the pip. Here we can mention Python 3 as well because that is pointing to Python 3.12. Before execution, we need to download this PI file. So let us try to download it. So we need to download from this link. So let us copy this URL. So we have got the file. So let's try to install pip now. So we have successfully installed pip. Let us try to find the version. So here the version is 25.1.1. If we want to install pip with a specific version, then we need to mention the version of pip while executing the installation command. So let us mention the version now. Now we need to mention the version. For example, if we want to install with 25.1 instead of 25.1.1, so we need to mention the version here. Here we can see it is uninstalling pip 25.1.1 and then it successfully installed 25.1. So this way we can install pip with a specific version using get pip script. So now we have installed pip with a specific version as well. So in this video we have seen how to install Python 3 as well as pip with corresponding versions. I hope this video helps. Thanks a lot for watching.